Hey everyone, this is Paul with Auto Nucleus, and today we're looking at my new Tesla Model 3, or should I say new to me. This is actually a used 2019 Tesla Model 3. So I'm going to try to do a few new videos about this car, what the experience is like buying a used car, what it's like owning a Tesla Model 3. And I'll try to just keep some documentation of what charge cycles look like and kind of give you an experience of what it's like to own one and ultimately what to know before buying. So like I normally do, I'll take this for a test drive, see what it's like to drive firsthand, and then if you have any questions, please add them to the comment section below, and also subscribe so you can be updated with recent and new videos that I launch. So thank you so much for taking a look at this video, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the test drive. And you can see it locking automatically there since I haven't activated and since I'm actually outside the car. But anyways, we'll go ahead and take a look at the test drive. Thanks. All right, and we're off on our test drive. So one of the first things you may notice, there is no engine noise. Completely silent. So I'm just gonna drive around town a little bit, probably jump on the highway for a little bit, but for the most part just let you listen and view how things are. I will point out a few little nuances about the electric car as we go, but just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Change my mind. So as we're driving, I do want to draw your attention to the gauge here. So there's no gauge cluster up front, but it's over here on the monitor. You have your speed, you have your speed limit. That's usually observed by the forward-facing camera up here. You also have this little indicator underneath the miles per hour. It turns black when you're using energy from the battery, and it turns green when you're regenerative braking or let off the accelerated pedal. So there's just a few things to keep your eye on. The avatar here actually represents what the car is actually doing. When I signal, the turn signal signals, and when I brake, it actually brakes on the little avatar as well. And also at nighttime, when I have the headlights on, the headlights are on. So it kind of serves as a reminder of what's going on with your actual vehicle. So also the doors open as well if you open them. So acceleration is awesome. It picks up really quick. You know, electric cars are known for their instant torque, and the Tesla Model 3 is pretty much the, well, how about Tesla is known to make that famous? How about that? So on the steering wheel, we have two main dials. We have the left dial, which controls the volume and your infotainment selections. So, and then over here on the right, it controls your cruise control when you're using it, and it controls your follow distance, and also controls your voice commands. So if you push in on the button, it controls audio commands. So if I push set AC to 68 degrees. If you can see it, I'm not sure if you can, but it changed the AC temperature to 68 degrees, where before it was at 70 degrees. So again, like I mentioned before, please subscribe. I'm going to try and do some full self-driving videos. This is the Standard Range Plus with full self-driving capability. So I'm going to try to utilize its abilities on some later videos. So please subscribe, and also put in the comment section below what you want to see and what kind of questions you have about my experience so far. So it's 55 here, so I'm up to 61 already. I think I hit up 63 and then I dropped back. So picks up really quick. It's a fun car. No complaints on its performance. So I'll engage Autopilot really quick for you. You do that by clicking twice, and we're off. So I need to indicate that the light's still green. You know, it's, ooh, Autopilot didn't like the car turning left. So I actually disengaged it briefly. Well, maybe not disengaged, but actually showed that it was braking automatically to avoid collision. Did not like how much it slowed down for me. So I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to do some highway driving. That was just a little glimpse into full self-driving. I will do some more videos, hopefully showing its pros, its cons, and what it can do confidently and what it doesn't do so confidently. So as you can see, it did not like when cars make left turns in front of you in a green intersection. So we'll continue to do more tests like that in the future. Oh, this guy has a lovely bumper sticker. Sorry to anyone that sees that. Alright, I'm gonna try to catch this guy actually. So I'm getting some wind noise with the quicker acceleration on the highway ramp. Checking my blind spots. Looks like I'm good from the cameras. Those cameras are recent additions, so they're actually really nice. But a little wind noise, but not too bad. The car is really quiet still. Let me see if I can pull up my decibel tool to kind of give you an objective sound. Turn back on the Autopilot. So you can see it's hovering around low 60s. And I have Autopilot on at low 70 miles per hour. I turned it down. So, gives you an idea how loud it is. Low 60s. Paused it at 64. So the car is actually merging over for me. I'm going to try to get around this car. I'm going to take over really quick. Since that was a little more complicated of a merge, I wanted to get off here. So as you can see, it's a highly capable car that I plan on driving for the near term. So definitely a fun car that I do want to enjoy I find myself just taking this car for fun, out to drive. So go figure, right? It's a fun car to drive just for fun. So I'll go ahead and wrap up the video here. If you have any more questions about the Tesla Model 3 or what it's like owning an electric vehicle, please add them to the comment section below. If enough people comment with various questions, I'll try to group the questions into a single video. Whether it's a Q&A format or whether it's a, show and tell type format with the actual car in hand, I'll try and be creative with how I'm answering your questions. But definitely any questions you add are going to be ideas for new videos coming up. So definitely add them in the comment section. Please subscribe, and definitely like the video if you thought it was something helpful in terms of helping you understand what it's like and trying to merge on and talk at the same time, but see what it's like to own an electric vehicle. And please definitely check out other videos as they come out. So I'll just leave the video running and hope you all have a good day. God bless, and please drive safe.